Hi everyone, I welcome all the divine souls on my YouTube channel, which is Twin Flame Realities. And in today's video, I'll share one particular incident and conversation with Divine. When Divine told me about a lady doing black magic on me, who is again part of the family. So I actually come from a joint family, and there are a lot of people in family. And apart from that, we live in a metro city wherein there are a lot of relatives who always used to come at 7 a.m. on a weekend and will only leave our house by 11 p.m. night. So they used to have their morning tea, coffee, breakfast, lunch, dinner, everything till night tea, coffee, because it was sort of like place to have luxury free food, and enjoy other things in our house. So, and parents never said no to anyone. It was a frequent thing, and it was wasting a lot of my time when it was school days. So I used to get some sort of time for myself, either to do studies or to spend with myself on weekend. But because of these relatives, it was always wasted. It was going in serving them, serving them food, water, anything else. So now it was such a big problem for me. So apart from these relatives who used to visit us on a regular basis, and then having a joint family, so one day spirit told me that this lady does a black magic on me. That time I ignored it. I did not even reply to spirit. I said leave it. And then but when I ignored the voice of spirit, I did not say anything. Then divine told me that this lady does black magic on you to spoil your health. And my reply was, no, this is not possible. You are lying. I do not trust your words when you talk about this thing. Though I believe that you've always been helping me in a lot of things, and whatever information you have given to me, it has always been right. But I do not trust you in this topic. Why did I say this? I do not know. Wherein I saw this woman was already involved into tantric, activities. She used to have connections with tantrics. Whatever she was doing, she herself used to tell. She knows this tantric and that tantric. So, and this was a lady because of which I attempted suicide, because she did false swear on her own child. After this, even I said, no, I know that she's such a bad lady, evil person, but then she cannot do that. And how can she do that black magic on me? So I denied this thing to divine. So divine did not repeat anything, because I wasn't ready to listen, and I wasn't ready to understand and agree on this point that she can be that evil, that she's trying to again end my life through black magic. So why am I sharing this incident? Because it is again interconnected to my journey and twin flame connection, and it will definitely shock you. So keep listening. This was about today's video. I'll see you in another video. Till then, take good care of yourself. Bye bye.